Hello everyone, and welcome back to another installment of Woling Design Group's presented DaVinci Unified training videos. Today, we'll be talking about sequences. In our lesson today, we will discuss sequences and their various types, along with how sequences can help you with everyday operations. Before we continue, if you haven't already, I highly recommend checking out our video on accounts before diving into this lesson. First, let's answer, what are sequences? This is basically a technical name for a counter. Once the sequence is created with an initial value, DaVinci can use this to increment this value by 1 with each use. A perfect example is an order number on a shipping order. Now, sequences are designed to keep counting order numbers, so it's very important never to leave an order number blank or to duplicate these numbers. There are a couple different types of sequences available. User-defined. This type is used for order numbers, invoice numbers, and more. There's UCC 128. This type is used for carton and pallet labels. Anything UCC related. And lastly, there is VIC S17. It's specifically designed for bill of lading. Alright, now let's show you how to create a sequence. From the dashboard, select Settings, and then Sequences. Here in Sequences, you can view previously created sequences, their values, and the sequence type. In order to create a new sequence, click Insert. In this window, you can name a sequence. A good example of a common sequence name would be RCV_order. You can name the sequence whatever you like. We just recommend that it be unique and make sense to you. Next, present the value of the sequence. If you already have counted items, do not hurt yourself by creating duplicated numbers. Simply carry on with a number that is greater than your largest counted number. Lastly, select the corresponding sequence type. In this case, it is a receiving order sequence, so we will select user-defined. Here's another example of what a common sequence might look like. Now that we have created sequences, it's time to show you how to configure those sequences to accounts. Go to Accounts and make your desired selection. Here in the account, we will navigate to the Receiving tab. Then, we will enable the Auto Generate Order Number box and type in the name of the sequence we just created. Going down to the Shipping tab, we will do the same thing here, but we will type in the name of the shipping order sequence we created. The Auto Generate Shipping Order Number is on the right in the Shipping tab. Now that we've set up the sequences to your accounts, it's time to show you how DaVinci can put these to work for you. Navigate to Receiving Orders, where we will begin to create a new receiving order. To allow the sequence to take effect, simply apply the account to the order and save. Notice how DaVinci automatically counts the next available value. Your sequence has now begun. That's all the time we have for our lesson in sequences today. Be sure to check back with us for more videos on how to use DaVinci Unified. And if you have further questions, or would like to set up a training session, feel free to contact our support. Or check out our detailed documentation online. Thanks for watching.